Hey guys, it's Jess, and today we're switching things up a bit. We are making something with felt. We're making these really cute cactus felt ornaments. I know during 2020 I've been filling my house with plants, so this is a tribute to all my plant lovers out there. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, what you're gonna need is 2 colors of felt. We're also going to need some embroidery floss, an embroidery needle, some scissors, some paper, a pencil, and you're also going to need some darker embroidery floss. You can use black or a dark green would be great. All right, let's get started. The first step is to attempt to draw a cactus. It's actually not that hard, guys. Go on Google, find an image that you like, and try and emulate it. It's okay to try multiple options. Take your time with this. This is going to be your pattern piece for your ornament. After I've cut out my pattern piece, I'm going to lay that on my felt and cut around. We're gonna need 2 of these. Now I'm drawing a little flower for my cactus on the lime green felt. I'm cutting around the inside of the marker line. The flower is supposed to be small. Now we're gonna sew on the spikes of the cactus. Pick a color, I'm using a light blue thread, and thread it through the eye of the needle. You're gonna leave this end loose. Don't tie it in a knot. And then go to the other end of your thread and tie it in a knot and cut off the excess. To do the spikes of the cactus, we're gonna push our needle through the back, pull it through until we hit the knot, and then push it through the other side, creating a small loop. Now continue to do this all over the front of your cactus. Once you're happy with the amount of spikes, turn your cactus over, and we're gonna tie a knot on the back. To do this, just take your needle, push it underneath one of your stitches, and leave a small loop. Now you're gonna take the end of your thread and tie it through the loop and pull it tight into a knot. Now we need to make something to hang our ornament by. So push your needle through from the back of your cactus and pull it tight, and then push it through the front of your cactus. And again, tie it in a knot on the back, just like we did before. Now we need to decide where we want our flower. I chose near the top, and to sew it on, I'm just poking my needle through from the back, and then back down through the front, and then doing this twice, and tying it in a knot on the back. Okay, now take your 2 pieces, lay them together, and we're gonna do something called a blanket stitch all the way around. To do a blanket stitch, thread your needle the same way we did before and poke it through just the top layer of your cactus. Then take your needle and bring it all the way around. Now poke your needle through both layers, leaving a small loop. Now take your needle through the loop and pull it tight. That's your first stitch. Now continue poking through both layers, leaving a loop, putting your needle through and pulling it tight. Through both layers, leave a loop, needle through the loop, and pull it tight. We don't know where we're going, we just wanna get gone. I love blanket stitching. It's so relaxing. You can find a nice comfortable spot by a window, listen to a podcast or some music. Okay, now you're probably wondering, what do I do when I get to the end? So we're going to tie a knot. To do this, we're gonna poke our needle through one of the vertical stitches, pull it tight, and then poke our needle through one of the horizontal stitches. Leave a loop and make a knot. And then I just cut off the excess and call that done. What I love about these ornaments is that they're flat and they fit perfectly in an envelope, so you can mail them out with your Christmas cards this year, just like so. Don't forget to check out my other video on how to make your own handmade envelope. I made mine with this cactus print to go with my cactus ornament. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notifications if you want to be notified when I upload another video. All right, see you guys in the next video. Bye.